Welcome to another Smart Sign to Go customer story session. Today we're going to hear from Geoff at Gourmet on the Go out in Portland, Oregon. He's got a food truck that he's installed digital signage on, and he experiences benefits from being able to change his menus on the fly as he moves his truck from place to place. He's got one TV screen connected to one of our pro players. Let's see what he has to say.
Yeah, my name is Geoff, and I own the food truck Gourmet on the Go. We go all over Oregon, parts of Washington. It's rewarding to be able to cook for other people and seeing their reactions. I've been trying to grow my business and get a second food truck out there and doing stuff to remodel it lately, which one of the things in the last few years was getting you guys to be able to use that for a system, and that's changed stuff a lot for us. Just like either plastic or metal boards that were costing me like $70 or $80 every single time that I needed a new one, and sometimes that can be several times in a week. I have like probably 20 different menus, and I just switch through them depending on where I'm going. Sometimes I have like specific catering where they want certain things different, so then I can just go in and edit the menu and then put a new one up. It's definitely a lot nicer and easier.